A tree species like Molabe. What tree is this? Introducing lingo-lingo, Vitex turksanianoe of the family Lamiaceae, the family of Molabe. The genus Vitex is derived from the Latin word veo, to wave or tie up, which refers to a species of Vitex used in basketry. The species Turksaninoe was named in honor of Nikolai Turksanino, a Russian botanist. Vitex turksaninoe, also called Turkestan chase tree, is native to Central Asia and other parts of the Middle East. It typically grows in moist, well-drained soils in full sun to partial shade. It is distributed throughout the Philippines in forests at low altitudes. Lingo-lingo is a large indigenous tree reaching a height of more than 25 meters and a diameter of more than 30 centimeters. Branches are crooked, gray, and angular at the point of branches. Bark grayish, slightly flaky and fibrous. It is a slow-growing tree that prefers partial shading for optimal growth. It can be distinguished from Mulabi by its palmately compound leaves, usually consisting of 5 to 7 leaflets, while Mulabi has only 3 leaflets. The wood of lingo-lingo is used for general construction, agricultural implements, and musical instruments. Lingo-lingo is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks. It is also used as a medicinal plant to treat various ailments such as fever, headache, and stomach ache. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.